Our education team at Logitech is dedicated to designing education-first solutions for today's learning environments. Today's modern HyFlex learning environments require high-quality video technology that allows learning to occur in multiple locations all at once. Oftentimes, faculty are tasked with a very large load of balancing technology, communication, and lesson planning, all while striving to connect with students to help them succeed. At the same time, we know HyFlex environments require IT professionals to support and manage complex video installations. This can be time-consuming and costly. That's precisely why we developed the Rally Camera Streamline Kit. It allows educators and technology leaders to successfully navigate these challenges, so class can happen anywhere, at any time.
We're excited to tell you about our newest offering, Rally Camera Streamline Kit. It's a comprehensive USB PTZ solution for live and recorded video in HyFlex spaces. The Rally Camera Streamline Kit leverages the Logitech Rally Camera, one of the most popular PTZ cameras in the market today. AV installers can easily and quickly connect the camera to the room's computer using standard category cables, with no need for a power outlet near the camera itself. And a carefully designed cabling arrangement ensures all connections are secure and hidden. With a simple twist-to-lock interface, the camera can be easily mounted on the wall or from the ceiling, eliminating the need for messy and time-consuming installations. We included intuitive one-touch PTZ controls that allow educators to move around the classroom while easily switching scenes to showcase different views with the simple press of a button. This gives them the comfort and confidence to move about freely and still be seen by all their students while staying in the flow of teaching. This requires little to no training. We designed this solution to be an easy decision. It seamlessly integrates with most operating systems, video conferencing, and video capture platforms to allow you to keep using the technology you already have in place. And unlike other offerings, there are no conversions required and no additional licensing needed. It's really that simple. The Rally Camera Streamline Kit comes with the key components needed to easily deploy the solution into most spaces and scenarios. The Rally Camera, the extension kit, both wall and MPT mounts, and 3 preset buttons. Beyond the bundle, we also offer the individual components that can be used to create the solution best tailored for your needs.
The Rally Camera Streamline Kit truly offers an effective HyFlex learning experience for all students. We look forward to working with higher education institutions around the world to create impactful and enriching HyFlex learning experiences.